Hello guys, this is Roam Tips. Today I show you how to make a 100% stacked bar chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Right. And first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project. And this view category and amount. Okay, click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category and select all amount. Okay, and left corner click on insert and search chart, click on chart. Alright, create example chart, PA chart, and right corner chart type, click on PA chart and scroll down and search bar. Okay, search bar and bar chart, stacked bar chart, and click on 100% stacked bar chart and click on this. Okay, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.